Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel, to the kitchen playlist. Today, I am going to take you along as I make a salsa. I've got extra tomatoes and this wrinkly old jalapeno here. Do you see that? Do you see that? And it's the end of season. Our tomatoes are getting soft, and we're going to eat some salsa tonight. So I'm just doing a quick stovetop salsa with like garden leftovers. Let's go see what's up. So here we have the table tray of tomatoes. I've got an onion. So just going to go through these and see which ones are soft and use them up. Chop up this little wrinkly jalapeno. This is from the store though. I went and bought some of those. And anything else we can find around the house. One tomato, something hot, onion. Yeah, that's the start of a good salsa to me. Oh, what's this hiding around the corner of the table? Perhaps he'll let me have one to heat up the salsa a little bit more. Honey? Okay, so I have been given an ahi ahu Japan and a not quite ripe Sugar Rush peach? Red. Sugar Rush red. I just eat them, I don't know them. So there we go, we got some hot peppers, got a jalapeno, some onion, and some tomatoes. I think we're good to go. Okay, so here on the cutting board basically are the spices that I'm using for salsa. A little turmeric and black pepper and some paprika and some cayenne. Got some crushed chilies, a little bit of chili powder, some salt, parsley and cilantro. If you don't like any of this, don't use it. If you like something else, put it in. So there we go. I'm just going to add some. I don't even have measurements. I just add some. So we're going to chop up all the tomatoes and the onion and everything and stick it in the big pot because we don't know how much room we're going to need. And then we'll decide how much spice we need to put in. Okay, so there we have the onions all cut up. And before I get started on the peppers, if you're using super hot peppers, wear gloves. And if anybody could tell me how to stop crying and stinging while I'm chopping onions, I would appreciate tips in the comments below because it's hard to see with tears running down your face from juicy onions. Alright, on to the peppers. So here I have a whole tray already of this beautiful, colorful tomatoes. Those little guys, I'm just going to throw those in. We don't care about having tomato skins in our salsa. So I'm just choppity. Oh, there's still a whole basket to go. I'm going to throw them in the pot. But look at how beautiful they are. There's so much color there. I think it's time for an Instagram photo. Okay, so in here I've put all the spices. Just some, like 1/8 of a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. I've got 1/8 of a teaspoon of the chili powder. I've got about 1/2 teaspoon of the chili pepper flakes. Probably closer to a full teaspoon of the paprika. Oh, there's a good teaspoon of salt in there. I don't know, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. So just, this is what I'm going to start with, and then I will sprinkle it all on top. Mix it together. Ooh, the secret blend. And there's actually a secret that I'm going to share with you about the tomatoes. Yep, a tiny, 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 tiny granule of cinnamon, and I need both hands to do it. But I mean like tiny granule on your fingertip. And that'll help take away the acidity of the tomatoes. These tomatoes. So we've got onions and some hot peppers, and I was given more hot peppers to put in because there's way more tomatoes than I thought there was going to be. And the little tomatoes and the big tomatoes and a little bit of minced garlic and the cilantro and parsley. And now we're going to turn this on the stove and let it simmer forever. Okay, no, maybe, I don't know, a couple of hours. Let it simmer down, thicken up, do its thing. Alright, let's give this a stir. I don't have my tripod. Mix it all about. It's gonna simmer on medium for like seriously 2 or 3 hours. And away we go. Oh, that looks so delicious. That looks so good. I'm excited. Okay, so here we are. It's been simmering for about an hour. And I've been stirring it. And I want it a little thicker, I think. So I'm going to keep simmering this. And then I just put it in some jars. We ate it up really fast. And last time I did this, I made some mini jars. And they did can, like they did go, and I sealed them in the boiling water. And they're fine. But yeah, we're just probably going to end up eating through this anyway, because it's a lovely lot of salsa. So let's give this a taste. So what we're tasting is, because at this point, if we want to add anything to it, we can. It's still going to simmer for a little while and thicken up with a lid off. It'll thicken a little faster. So yeah, that's why we're having a taste. Always put yourself a little sample on the side too, because you don't want to contaminate the whole pot. Alright, here we go. There we go. This looks so good. It smells so good. I've kind of been tasting as I go. Didn't really need to add or change anything. It's, I like it. This is my second salsa. So here we are sharing it. It is a little hotter than I was expecting. We did add some more. We did add some more peppers to it, so it is got a better zing than the last salsa we made. Oh yes, it most certainly does. So I think that's it for me. This is quick and easy counter stovetop salsa. It'll last for a while in the fridge. You can seal it if you want to, if you know how to do that. Other than that, enjoy. This is just how we do it. I need to go back and taste some more. It's really, really good. See you next time. Bye. Train. And also please feel free to click one of these boxes hanging out around my head. It'll take you to the playlist and other videos like it on my channel. Bye. Oh, that's delicious.